Asom ya mwancho muligere rwegeta seni kya Ndizi TV na bwo wansu bwo mugusingwe gena litkoria ondigenderete ko bari toero keima na nene no genderete kwego kya aso kubwatia emiro birionsi geta seni moyega bwoko moenia omumnyokie gyata Kelvin Kiptum asensemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet omoyega bayigobere go ikiranwa negatia barai kurwase Chinsa Isano ono mwancho muligere ngo kwarigania SMS Amayia Chinsa Isano nebere ngo manyuna narayana kwariganire asenchera ere yobinge Nyarabuna semero birionsi na bagotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital sensemo ya YouTube wetonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bagotonyora se website yetu wetera www.ndizitv.net yertogendere gusanga asubwamo. Eriatariane Everline Osero uria tukubwatira nase imanyiriro niga kurokwa Lydia Musen na boigo Sara Manyerero kwene kebuna chibichaniro gicha gwikire asenchira yabene kirongo kwariganio be ko gosanga 9 goika omwerio Amayia Chinsa Isano nebiraso benge tukoyachaka korwase county ya Kisii awase ogosegeta kwabere go kurwego gochiasa bantu korenda ebitwatanine chinga kichionsi na boigo ande onsia yankorengana na Enoch Makori oyo ore kia omukoro boigo orase kyombekemo ekyo kerenge kyoge kurigereria ebitwetanaine asaganirie abantu kwenekia oborendi abwa obotumekyo buyabwendagera na monokorenda ebitwetanaine buna gusmeka emete chinga kecho nigaruro kubore go cyasa abantu kwenekia bunanko ryabare cinjira ao cyogo kinyari gesa imeyense ya Kenya batari kote gosibatari kogania obwoyoboka korende gusmeka cindagera cyebimeri ao asoko ene bunari gasari abereri gokiniwa imeyense ya Kenya na mono gukonya gutanga augonchoreria kwerire
ase Kisii County twa basukirake na Nyamira lakini aso bwingo tebenga bantu baitumbara twara genteke bage internalize
abakusiba goteba yani umuntu usimegete umute nabara beta abaise koba okobanse yekiriri kiaye tware gotenga ki ayorali kabago wetoma tosimekemete ekiagera nero ogima gwetu to baise kolenga monyegerio otige ngabi bono nto baise kumyoki umulenga ali to gotiga ebintu ebinka kokugimete gosimeku ngeine serikali naye anene mona bali mubaitu abantu baitu bole chikanisa abatangani be chikanisa kamuranje akeliogi tembe to ansakoro chinasali ali metembe chiskuru chiyone ne community ngima so that onye musocho babwate mesocho bada seedlings chiyemetembe bagenda metembe umanya for example ole woody no bwate bimato biri bya ABC ni bicoltain amacha how can a student translate that one apie buno umanya make effort oroje within 1 year enke yokonyole emetose 200 yo minto bantanga ngorongoro wake yando ko ntenga kandere makake ko kuna maua nsiga so monto bege no bwiyo bwechingoko obuoyo bokega so mungina kwa usa kunyomba don't you think nabo mutawe kachinyeni ogochaka the simplest way buna bondo chinyeni chiendremo maite food security to kwana kana to ko food security yani okomenta kwenda ta security yobolendi okomenta ndaga ya itebe ko comment abantu babe bagosomi gunga elienke babuga
Omoyega bwoko mwenia mumnyokie gyata Kelvin Kiptum nigo gendrete asasegeti ya Chepkorio imeyana Ibere semo ya Elgeyo Marakwet no muyego bere kogo ikiranwa nabarai gati abo murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto omokonyo yeriga digashawa umuteneneri baba waziri Musalia Mudavadi mwaziri wa mangana ye Chigosori Ababu na Mwamba egati ya barai bande hanene korwase Chinsa Isano eriokorwa esko yabayo mwero gochiase gosira Kelvin nigo nyagosira togiwe kobo monto mororo boigo obwatengoringia asabantu bonsi awase abarai abagendrete ko bwatoka engora yabo Kelvin nigasireti obugima bwaye stariki 11 cyumutinyo iga okabere ase omubasokano bweparase barege amo no mokochoye oyoboigo nere obete kagosiria obugima ase omubasokano yo.
He was known internationally. Kelvin was also known locally. He connected with a very, very ordinary. So fare thee well. We were told of the school he went to. We were told of his humble background, and yet God raised him and lifted him. He was very, very humble and simple.
Kelvin amekuwa ni mtu mkarimu, amekuwa akisupport kanisa sana. Kwa hivyo tunashukuru na tunataka vijana wengi waike mfano ya Kevin. Kwa hivyo kwa niaba ya kanisa ya Anglikana tunasema pole on behalf of the professionals. Cha pili tu, wacha niwahimize vijana katika area hii kwamba rais amesema kuna outsourcing. One example is huyu Kevin Kiptum. Alienda kukimbia, tukisikia marathon, Rotterdam, everything. That is what we call outsourcing of skills. So we will really appreciate kwamba kila mtu tuweze kutafuta kazi outside, because I know there are
na mayanda bona manene ase ya mate ya Kelvin na boigo ense ya Kenya asobwagare ase okumusiria omunyangongo uyobereka gotiga magega omorugyo ya masereta asna Rotich na boigo abana babere astokorwa engoro ya bena gochiase ya mateyo togotikana nayo nigo omuwaziri hotenerete byombe imense ya Kenya Simon Chelugui aberega koenekya buna ensemo yebyombe nigegenderete gotigara botingu no nyamagega yeshi ko sigikania ne dola asate birebuna imeyense ya Kenya nigo ensemo yebyombe gendete kubeka emirobire mikiranu yoko enekia buna abantu babere bagokonyeka anene aso konyora amakabesa yakubakonya se owekinia anene ase chinsemo chobonchoreria au.
These reforms that we are introducing today have a national and possibly regional impact in first reducing the cost of service, two, to enhance cooperation among cooperatives, and thirdly, to enhance supervision and regulation.
Nekiombe gya Competition Authority of Kenya CAK nigo kegendrete kumureka obokoreri bwechi company aime yense ya Kenya rukwene buna obokoreri obyabwa bere obokoreri ochiase abananchi nigo chi company isa 13 achia mangana yech license achigendrete gosamangana yech insurance igendrete kumurekerwa neye magega yabale bakonyoro obokoreri korwa se chi company echo babere bakwemurunganya kubwatkana no bokoreri obube abo babere bakonyora nonyana bonigo igati echiduka icho chikone bintu awo igo chigenderete korigereriwa ase Chelugui ateire buna ase babwatani korwa se kyombekyo baterera nenchira yemo yoko enekyo bokorerio byabwa beire bokorwegwa gochiase abananchi no kwemurungani okwo boikomoerio.
We've saved them almost 10 billion shillings. You look, for example, in the cement industry, that was about savings of almost 4.6 billion. You look at the paint industry, that was close to $1 billion. Look at the SME space, for example, that was close to about 3 billion. So, and of course, a few other situations that we intervened in.
Retail sector is an area of concern for us. Insurance, and those are sectors under the Department of Buyer Power, where there's a relationship between supplier and a buyer, and therefore what are the conducts. Only talking about areas that we have come to our attention, and therefore we have taken action, or is a process that is ongoing internally.
Is to encourage, all market participants out there to ensure that they are playing within the rules. That's what I would communicate to all market participants.
Abwata ni korwa sekyombe kyobomo bwechi kanisa imeyense ya Kenya NCCK ni go baruro kuboria amaunchurire go korekana ase chiskuru anene chinchera abaorokiwa bakuragira aya naso byabwo korenda obochenu bwabana kirobono yabirege korokana una ase chiskuru chinyinge ebikole byabana koiwabo bose korwara kubwatkana nendagerembe byabere bikoenekiwa imeyense ya Kenya egento babere bakogikere no tana obochenu bwabana nigo bwenete kurigererwa mono asenjere ya moyoko bachinga kichinyororo ase chisukuru nonyana bonigo baruro kuborewo cyase serikali kwango yumurobero bwo kubwatoka chibesa ucyase chisukuru elio chibe chigokonya aso murobero yo nakoneke abuna bana babeire bakomenya au bogima buro byase chisukuru anene kubwatkana nokoria endagera erenchenu.
School boards to change their strategies, how they operate, how they allocate money, to make sure that the first and priority in the priority in those allocation should be about food. In county committees, board of management of schools, be it primary, lower primary, those who are in junior high school, we organize ourselves well so that we make sure that a priority becomes our children. That we call upon the government to provide or release this money early enough to take care of our children and
Pogwikiraniwa n'ababwatani ao asibagenderete gosegeta abantu kwenekia bunankuri kabale abakora emirimo gose aba obisa Kenya.
We are here to enforce the law because the safety of our children, the safety of our institutions of higher learning is of utmost priority to this administration. So security vetting is of utmost importance. Number one, priority. We shall vet each and every security personnel working in your institutions of higher learning, whether contracted, who is offering security in your institutions of higher learning without being a holder of a guard force number. Or you have contracted a company to provide security in your institutions who are not licensed and registered by the authority. And it's an offense. You will read when you're given the law under section 69, the fine is 2 million shillings or imprisonment.
Mwanchi mulire bana inarna kwariganire tia semese Amayia Chinsa Isano nebera senchira ere yobwenge korende na mange tragendere kwariganire inandira chikonyora senchira yobwenge chikoraga Chinsa ikomi korende nigongo kumanya buna semero beronsi Ndizi TV na bakogenda rotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na baigase website ito na bakoja soma wetra www.ndizitv.net elio togendere gusanga asubwa meritriane Everline Osero Olia twabwatira na sensemo imanyerironi gakoro kwa Ibere musena boigo Sara mumanyi nero neki achibicaniro gicha waikere a sentra ya bene korenda na ndengo kwiranitore ase chinsemo chia Elgeyo Marakwet ase omuyega bwoko moine mumnyoke giata Kelvin Kiptumo gendrete omuyega bano ikiranirwe na barai au bakora no murai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto elio korwa esko yabo yo moerio to basa uskare gendra kubwatimiro birionsi Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwomugusi omurigereria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo tukuiraniria ngambia muno asoko genderera guturigireria na gutusira kira rituko asemerubirio yaitu yonsi chinsemeru ngeberenenge